I'll explain, not an issue. She's not here. Okay. So life cycle, something which keeps on going round and round. Have you seen the bicycle? Have you seen the wheel, the tire? How it goes? Does it stop somewhere? No. So does it have corners to stop? No. It keeps on going round and round, round and round. So there are 4 life cycles we are going to do today. But the first one we are doing is life cycle of a human. Who are all? We all are human beings, right? Are we animals? No. Are we birds? No. Are you animal? No. Doing like that? No. Are we birds to fly? No. We all are human beings. But suddenly did you grow? No. Or you were sometimes small. Mama must have shown you a few pictures where you were just born, started crawling, started walking. Everybody has. Everybody has. Our human life cycle. You have to repeat after me, okay? Later. Infant. Everybody. Infant. Toddler. And then he grows after so many years. He becomes teenage. And later he becomes adult. And then elderly man. Okay, elderly man. And then again it starts. The life cycle again starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? Can you clap hands for all 5 of them? They have come. They are giving a special time to you all, right? We have to thank them, right? Okay. Which animal he is? Amphibians. And do you know which animals are known as amphibians? They are magical. They can live in water as well as land. Okay. So once upon a time, there was a frog in a pond. Okay. And there was one child who was playing next to it. So frog was busy working. They also work, no? Like that in the water and land. The boy or the girl, the child, saw so many eggs. Now, can you see so many eggs? Yeah. This jelly and this black things are the babies of the frogs. Okay? These are the eggs. And there's so many eggs together, they are known as spawn. Spawn. And that boy started thinking it is jelly and started taking out the eggs from the leaf. So frog came running. What are you doing to my eggs? They are my babies. So that child was, how can it be baby? It looks like a small jelly to me. So the frog explained, how you are your mama papa's baby? These eggs are my babies. So the frog, see this frog, it lays hundreds of eggs. How many? Hundreds of eggs on the leaf. But because of the wind, because of the water, most of the eggs go away and only few eggs start growing. And then this jelly-like thing, inside this, there is this baby is called spawn. Together so many spawns. And after few weeks, 2-3 weeks or after 14-15 days, they become a tadpole. Have you ever seen a fish?
Yes.
Yeah?
It's like tadpole only.
Yes.
So they have little tails and they swim from them. They don't have legs.
Yes, superb. Clap for Pashwa. Okay. So this tadpole, they look like fish only because they are in the water. And when they are in the water, they need to breathe, right? They don't have nose to breathe. So they breathe through the gills and then they have this tail which let it swim so nicely. When it is grown, it is very big. Then after a few days, what happens? These gills which were on the sides of its body, goes. And the tail was so long first.
Yes,
It's short, and then it goes out. And what comes out? The legs come out, the hands come out, the front and back legs, so that it can crawl, it can jump. As soon as the legs are out, now the froglet is ready to jump out of the water, and it comes on the leaf. Then it eats food, it plays, it does all the activities what its mama says, mama frog says, and then it becomes a big frog. Again the frog lays eggs, it becomes the tadpole, the froglet and the frog. Okay, everybody?
Yes.
Life cycle of a frog. Now how are we going to do? Who is this? So what is the frog does first? What is the first step in the life cycle of frog? Eggs. Very good. So these are eggs. I will stick eggs on number 1. Okay, I stuck it. Then after eggs what comes? What's the second step called? One you will get first.
Froglet.
No, not froglet. Second.
Tadpole.
Then see this tadpole. It is just having a tail. I will stick tadpole. After tadpole, just now Panch said. Froglet. Superb. See this froglet, the tail is still there. Slowly it will go, but hands have come. And after froglet, what is the next? Last step. Fourth one. Last step.
They have leg and they have tail. Frog.
And it becomes
frog.
Frog. Okay. Yes. Now we are doing the third life cycle. Life cycle of a plant. Life cycle of a plant. So the first most important thing for a plant to grow are seeds. What are these? Seeds. Everybody, can you see? The next thing I will need is the soil. Not the mud, soil. What do I need? Soil. If I put few seeds in the soil and I sprinkle water, after few days, these are the sprouts. What do you see? Sprouts. Can you see? Seeds, then the sprouts. And then the roots are growing inside the soil. That is why I cannot show you the roots. Okay? Roots are invisible. Means they are in the soil. I have to break the soil and then show. So we cannot do that. See, first the seeds, and this process is called germination. The sprouts grow, no? It is known as germination. Can you see this root going in the soil? Can you all see the root going in the soil? Yes. After that, the roots are growing bigger, and the roots are so important because it is holding the soil so tight that the plant remains as it is. Can you see the roots and the stem? I'm showing. Can you see? Look here. Can you see the roots and stem? The roots hold the soil, and the stem lets it grow upright. After that, slowly, the leaves come out. Can you see? Everybody?
Yes.
Can you see the leaves? Can you see the leaves coming out? It becomes a small plant, and then later on it grows. You give water, sunlight and the air, it grows big. After growing big, the flowers come out. What do come out? What do come out? Flowers come out. And when the flowers are grown completely,
then they become tree.
Then the fruits grow. laid the egg, then who comes out? Caterpillar. Now this caterpillar is very tiny, but it eats and eats and eats. And do you know what does it eat first? First it eats the eggshell itself, and it keeps on eating all the leaves, It becomes so fat, so fat. I will show you. This caterpillar becomes very, very fat. And now it says that, oh, my stomach is full. I don't want to eat anything. It takes a position and it covers itself in the cocoon, or it is known as chrysalis, and that time it is not called as caterpillar. It is known as pupa. What is it known as? Pupa. You know what is pupa? This pupa, it does not move for 15 days. Can you sit like this without moving for 5 squares? Can you all become pupa and not move at all? This pupa in the chrysalis, it doesn't move at all for 15 days. Just like this, like a statue. And then slowly after 15-20 days, inside there are so many changes going on. The caterpillar now does not look like a caterpillar at all. It is going to become a... See, this is chrysalis. Inside is pupa. And then who emerges